Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to flush a Mitsubishi Lancer radiator. First, gather all necessary tools and safety gear, including a drain pan and safety glasses. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before starting to avoid serious burns. Locate both the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and the radiator cap. Have a suitable container ready to collect the old coolant for proper disposal, as it is toxic. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Carefully position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Slowly open the drain plug and then remove the radiator cap to allow air to enter, which helps the coolant flow out completely. Let all the old coolant drain out until the flow stops, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Take a moment to inspect the drained fluid for any unusual color or debris, which could indicate other issues. Next, we will flush the system. Once all the old coolant is out, securely close the radiator drain plug. Fill the radiator with distilled water or a dedicated radiator flush solution, ensuring it reaches the full mark. Start the engine and let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater on high, allowing the solution to circulate. Then, turn off the engine and completely drain this flush solution, just as you did with the old coolant. Finally, let's refill and bleed the system. After draining the flush, close the drain plug and fill the radiator with the correct new coolant mixture for your Lancer. Start the engine and let it run with the heater on high. As the engine warms, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses several times to help release any trapped air bubbles. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed until it remains stable, ensuring proper circulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.